Egypt is experiencing an explosive growth in the use of freeze-dryer equipment. Located at the junction of Asia and Africa, the tropical desert climate is hot and dry, and traditional preservation methods simply do not work. With economic development, people have higher and higher requirements for the preservation of food and medicine. Kemolo freeze-dryer equipment stand out with their low cost and high efficiency. Whether it is homemade date palms and preserved fruits, or factory processing of agricultural products such as cotton and citrus, they can be easily handled and have become a hot commodity in the market. Egypt has abundant agricultural products and a prosperous tourism industry, which allows freeze-dryer equipment to show its prowess. Small household equipment can make special fruits into delicious dried fruits for easy storage. Large equipment in factories helps export agricultural products, making citrus and other freeze-dried slices to extend the shelf life. In the preservation of medicines, freeze-dryer equipments are also indispensable too. Ensure that medicines do not deteriorate at high temperatures. In Egypt, Kemolo's freeze-dryer equipments are extremely cost-effective, with prices far lower than similar products in Europe and the United States, and are particularly energy-saving. The government has strongly supported and cooperated with international companies to upgrade technology from daily life to industrial production. Kemolo freeze-dryer equipment is changing the way of preserving food and medicine in all aspects in Egypt, injecting new vitality into economic development.